हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्कार। चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। चंडीगढ़ जेबीटी मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़, ये एक प्रेपरेशन सीरीज़ जो है जेबीटी प्रेपरेशन सीरीज़, उसके फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट में आपका स्वागत है। इसमें आपको मॉक टेस्ट के साथ आंसर की भी मिलेगी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 20 ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स? आप वीडियो को पॉज करके चेक कर सकते हो अपनी सॉल्व करने की कैपेसिटी क्या है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, a positive integer when divided by q leaves remainder 21. When double that number is divided by q, the remainder is 13. Then q is. The digit in the units place of the number represented by 7 raised to power 95 minus 3 raised to power 58 is. If x and y are two odd positive integers, which of the following is not an odd number? The sum of the squares of two positive integers is 130 and the difference of their squares is 32. The sum of the numbers is. Next is, which of the options is always a composite number for any prime number p? How many three-digit numbers are there for which the product of their digits is more than 2 but less than 7? The mean of all four-digit even natural numbers of the form AABB, where A is greater than 0, is. Find a number such that when 7 is subtracted from 3 times the number, the result is 9 more than twice of the number. The number of zeros at the end of 99 is. 91 plus 92 plus 93 so on up to 110 is equal to. What will be the quotient when 2143 is divided by 38? What least number must be subtracted from 3401 so that the sum is completely divisible by 11? Which smallest number must be added to 100 so that the resulting number is completely divisible by 6? The difference between the place value of 7 and 3 in the number 527435 is. The difference between the local value and the face value of 7 in the number 32675149 is. Consider the following statements about natural numbers. First is, there exists a smallest natural number. Second, there exists a largest natural number. Third is, between two natural numbers that there is always a natural number. Which of the above statements is correct? Every rational number is also. The number pi is. Root 2 is. And the number root 3 is. What is the sum of the squares of the digits from 1 to 9? If n is an integer with between 20 and 80, then any of the following could be n plus 7, except. How many factors of 108 are prime numbers? The product of two numbers is 231 and one number is 21. What is the second number? The product of two positive numbers is 1152. If one number is two times the other, what will be the sum of the two numbers? How many three-digit numbers are completely divisible by 4? What is the largest two-digit number which when divided by 6 and 5 leaves remainder 1 in each case? What is the value of x so that the 7-digit number 8439x53 is divisible by 99? Two positive numbers differ by 2001. When the larger number is divided by the smaller number, the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 41. The sum of the digits of the larger number is. Given x is an integer, what is the remainder when 6x plus 3 into 2 is divided by 9? How many natural numbers less than 1000 are divisible by 5 or 7 but not by 35? Next is the sum of all prime numbers between 58 and 68 is. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is always divisible by. What is the sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 100 which are multiples of 7? Which of the following statement is true? First is the total number of positive factors of 72 is 12. Second is the sum of the first 20 odd numbers is 400. Third is the largest two-digit prime number is 97. The sum of the perfect squares between 120 and 300 is. If p cube minus q cube is equal to p plus q, p minus q square minus xpq, then find the value of x. What minimum value should be assigned to this star so that 2361 star 48 is exactly divisible by 9? If p, q are all real numbers, then p minus q the whole cube plus q minus r whole cube plus r minus p whole cube is equal to. If a square minus b square divided by a plus b is equal to 25, then a plus b is equal to. How many prime numbers are between 100 to 200? The least number of 5 digit is exactly divisible by 88 is. The number of 3 digit numbers which are multiples of 9 are. Two consecutive even positive integers, sum of the squares of which is 1060 are. If the sum of the two numbers is 14 and their difference is 10, find the product of these two numbers. Next is 854 multiplied 3 times minus 276 multiplied 2 times into 276 divided by 854 multiplied by 854 plus 854 multiplied by 276 plus 276 multiplied by 276 is equal to next is 753 multiplied by 753 plus 247 multiplied by itself minus 753 into 247 divided by 753 multiplied by 753 by 753 plus 247 into 247 into 247 equal to 256 multiplied by itself minus 144 into 144 divided by 112 is equal to, last question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a plus b, b plus c plus a equals to। दोस्तों ये तो था आज का मॉक टेस्ट। आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट जरूर करिए और अपनी प्रोग्रेस कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर देखिए। आंसर की कमेंट बॉक्स से ज़रूर डाउनलोड कीजिए। किसी भी क्वेरी के लिए नंबर ऊपर फ्लैश किया जा रहा है और किसी भी बैच को ज्वाइन करने के लिए इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करें। थैंक यू।